The 5 things you need to do to improve your open house. I was at an amazing real estate conference, and this head sales trainer said, "Hey, everyone sucks at open houses. This is how we get better." And I talked to a lot of my partners. I talked to some of my friends within the coaching company, and they agreed these were the 5 great things that you can do to improve your open houses. Number 1, meet the person at the door. You would never have a stranger over to your house without meeting them at the door. Why is this any different? Most agents hang out in the kitchen. I know I've been guilty of it when I've been helping at open houses. I think this is something that we can all do. Number 2, have a great sign-in process. You want to capture their information to follow up. Remember the fortunes in the follow-up, but also you want to have an inventory of who came through for your seller. Number 3, ask them if they want the guided tour or if they want to look around on their own. If they select the looking around on their own, tell them you're available and going to be in the kitchen. If they have any questions, just to shout. This is why you should have a partner like a lender there with you. Number 4, you want to get in an inventory and a gauge of where their interests lie in the property. Ask them what they like, ask them what they didn't like. Number 5, if you think you could find them a property that met the criteria, if this listing didn't work, ask them what some of their non-negotiables are and see if you could follow up with them if you found them that home. Remember, most of these buyers coming through right now we're seeing as free agents. They have not signed a buyer agency agreement. So these are the reasons why we think open houses are the best opportunity to capture new buyers.